Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a quick video of the before in my crafting space that I have. So here is my diamond painting desk that I got for Christmas. And as you can see, I already have a diamond painting set up on it. I have all the little bottles on the sides, and the diamond painting is up underneath. I keep it covered because my son actually sleeps in this room as well, and so when my husband comes to put him to bed, I don't want him seeing. So as you can see, pretty much everything, I have like a ton of movies over there that I have to go through, but I've got everything just kind of laying around right now. Pretty much everything is just everywhere, and I have started to lay out the storage over there. Those are empty at the moment. I want to get them all set up and then figure out what I want to put in everything. So at the moment, I'm just trying to get the storage set up the way I like it. And as you can see, it is not a very big area. There is my actual crafting desk. It is very small. But yeah, I have everything kind of just thrown in here, and I am working on getting it all put away. But I just figured I would show you guys before I get too far in the process. I did want to show you really quick. Let's see if I can get this uncovered. Get it in a good spot so you can see. Okay, so I got another one of these boxes. They are from Costco. Classy Crafting and Parcels is the one who told me about it first. And at Costco, at Michael's, you're going to get the ones that are these sizes. You've got that one, and then you've got that one. And they're smaller. You can actually see, here, let me bring it back down. You can actually see the difference between the two sizes right there. And the Michaels ones are like $60, $70. The one from Costco, though, is like $25. Somewhere around that, between $25 and $30. So like really cheap. And you've got a huge area up here. You've got the three containers. This one has the plastic inserts that you can put in there to make different ones. This one, it has two of the plastic. So I mean, you could put probably a lot of washi or ribbon in this one. You cannot divide it into smaller sections. And then this one is just open completely. There's no plastic dividers in it at all. There are two ridges in there, but they don't go all the way up to the top. But still really good size boxes. So I wanted to show you that while we were in here. See if I can close this. Ouch. No, I can't. There. Okay. So I bend my fingernail backwards. That's always fun. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I have in my room so far. And let's see if I can give you an idea of the space. That's pretty much, there's the wall, and there's the window. So I mean, that's the space right there. And it's half of a bedroom because our 3-year-old, he doesn't use the whole bedroom right now. He only uses half of it, so we decided to put my crafting stuff in here. And that chair is going to be going back downstairs at my computer desk, and I'll have a different chair up here. I just got to switch the hydraulic, or whatever you want to call it. I actually have it here, and I'm just waiting for help from my husband to get it switched out. So that is it. I just wanted to do now the doorbell's ringing, of course. So I will see you guys in my next video, and you guys have a great day. Bye.